The export ecosystem has grappled with structural challenges ranging from overdependence on a few markets, complex compliance processes, inadequate support for small businesses, and limited access to real-time trade data. The Road to Market Strategy 2025-2027 seeks to turn the tide with a modern data-driven framework to unlock new markets.
Trade intelligence, using data to know what is required, where it is required, when it is required, and how can I take it there.
Industry Principal Secretary Dr. Juma Mukwana underscored the alignment of the RTM strategy with national development priorities as a transformative blueprint, challenging manufacturers to take full ownership of Kenya's industrial potential by embracing digitalization to enhance product quality.
Europe was industrialized by Europeans. America was industrialized by Americans. Hiroshi will tell you that Japan was industrialized by the Japanese. So where do we get this foolishness that somebody else will come and industrialize for you?
Of our members, 60% are SMEs. We want to promote export-led growth. We want to support SME development because the SME are the future and the backbone of any manufacturing sector.
The RPM strategy also seeks to increase jobs in rural cooperatives in special economic zones and raise exports' share of GDP to 30% by 2025. The launch of this new framework comes amid rapid shifts in the global trade, with trade officials in the export ecosystem seeking to leverage this new strategy to position Kenya as a competitive player ready to scale new markets and elevate Kenyan products on the global stage. Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition, Nairobi.